Ready for the dictation? Start. Assam is one of the most beautiful parts of India. Stop. Here we have the biggest river and sprawling mountains, green fields and big dense forests. Stop. All these go to make this part of the country beautiful, but they also make communications difficult. Stop. We are trying and we hope we shall succeed in maintaining the beauty and at the same time improving the communications. Stop. The Communications Ministry has under contemplation the opening up here of a number of post offices and telegraph offices. Stop. It is also proposed to have landing grounds for aircraft in convenient places where other means of communication cannot be opened. Stop. When the partition came more than 50 years ago, the country was in a very difficult position regarding food. Stop. We are importing a huge quantity of food grains from foreign countries. Stop. Thank God we are now nearly out of the wood and are able to produce enough for our needs. Stop. In the same way, we hope we shall be able to surmount the other difficulties which still confront us. Stop. That has been possible because the people as a whole have realized the importance of self-sufficiency in the matter of food. Stop. They have all helped in producing more. Stop. There is no dearth of cloth now in the country. Stop. I am hoping that any other difficulties that we'll still have will be solved without much delay. Stop. After all, our independence is only 6 years old, and what was not achieved, not even thought of, for full stop.